Hi, Steve and Lori and Donna. My name's Christian Renna. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence all on your own. Contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services like HomeAdvisor and Angie's List or wherever you're getting your leads from. And the leads that you're getting from your website are going to be exclusive to you. And so 3 things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. So Google loves content. Content is king in the eyes of Google. The more content you have, the better. Content isn't just the words on your website, though. Content is also the photos and what's behind the photos and how the photos are saved and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so if you actually go to save this photo right here, which by the way is a nice photo, it actually is saved to just random numbers and letters. That's the way that that file is saved. That's not bringing you any value whatsoever. And so Google reads everything on your website. And the way that your photos are saved really matters. So you're going to want to go through your website, make sure that every photo you have is saved as a buyer intent keyword and not a random file name. So if this is the main one on your homepage, I'm willing to bet that this one is a reflection of the rest of them on your website. Okay, and then as far as actual words go, the number of actual words that you're going to want to have on any page that you're trying to rank is 1,500 words. And so this is kind of just a description of the company and you guys, law offices, determined to provide clients. This is not necessary to have 1,500 words, but on your service pages. So let's go to your family law. I'm sure that's a big one. Family law page. Maybe 50 words here, 75 here, maybe 75 here, maybe 200 words on the entire page. Well, that's fine, but you're going to want to have 1,500 minimum. And so let's go to criminal law. Again, maybe 50, 75, less than 200 on the entire page. You're going to want to go through every single service page that you have that you're trying to rank and you want to bring in value to Google and money from. You're going to want to have 1,500 words minimum. And then again, like, you don't have any photos on this page, so you wouldn't have to worry about making sure the photos are saved properly. But if you wanted to add photos, I would highly suggest making sure that you save those properly, obviously. And so that's that. Moving forward, the next thing we're going to talk about is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook. That would include Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All those directories give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you rank in this map pack. This is where you want to be. These are the dogs that are getting the volume, getting the calls, making the money. I typed in lawyers, Cadillac, Michigan. We got McCurdy, Ravi, and Hines. Okay, I didn't see King. This is where you want to be. And this has to do with citation. So this is huge. I actually have your Google My Business page pulled up here. Couple things I want to point out. You do have one, so that's good. I see your address and phone. I don't see hours, and I don't see the website. So I would highly suggest adding your business hours, adding your website. It's just going to complete your profile. Also, you guys have 7 reviews with a 4.9 star. Definitely something to be proud of. Keep pushing those reviews. We recommend 25 minimum. So 7, 4.9, definitely something still to be proud of. But having 25 reviews will definitely help you beat those other competition in the map pack. And then lastly is these photos. So it looks like this photo may just be the Google drive-by of your building. You're going to want to go in and add approximately 10 photos minimum to this profile. 10 photos. And then again, you're going to want to make sure that all of your photos are saved with buyer intent keywords. So 10 photos, 25 reviews, add your business hours, and add your website. And that'll complete the profile, and that'll help you come into this number 1 position, number 2, or number 3 in this map pack here. The last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere on the web that kingkinglaw.com is at, anywhere. It's going to give you a backlink. So you guys actually have 1.01 thousand backlinks from 33 referring domains, which leads me to believe that you are, in fact, either paying for these or have somebody that's getting them for you. But as you can see here, your domain rating is only a 6, and that's a 6 out of 100. So the thing to remember is that not all backlinks are created equal, and you want to make sure that your backlinks are coming from sites that are relevant to the trade and that aren't spammy. So if you're getting your backlinks from spammy sites, Google's going to think you're a spammy site. It's going to dock you. If you're getting your backlinks from sites that aren't relevant to the legal expertise, then it's going to dock you, and Google's going to think that maybe you're not a real lawyer, you know? And so you want to make sure your backlinks are coming from reputable sites that aren't spammy, and that's the thing to remember. So this is a tool we use called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. If you decide to do the homework, highly recommend this one. It's got your rating and your backlinks and your referring domains and your keywords, all sorts of information particular to your given website. And so I would highly recommend going through and removing any of these backlinks that aren't bringing you value, because obviously with 1,000 backlinks, you should be at a 70, 80, 90 domain rating, and you're at a 6. So you definitely don't want this many. Do your homework, highly suggest it, and remove the backlinks that aren't helping you. And so I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that you find the time to implement these tips and tricks and strategies to bring yourself some more lead volume this coming 2021 year. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. Any feedback is appreciated. And thank you very much for watching.